So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. What is the last status? I'm honest to you, in the last days I saw a lot of manipulation in the chart, and this is a little bit frustrated because normally the bear market, we have the situation after a high, then a low is coming. Yeah, but here in the bull market, we have to think a little bit different. And I saw this in the last days. Yeah, every time. Yeah, I expect a downtrend. I see, okay, the downtrend is a little bit small, and then I think, so why this downtrend is so small? I expect that we have different cycles to the downside. Yeah, the opposite side is the case here in this uptrend. Yeah, normally this uptrend is not so much. Yeah, it's only this. Yeah, but you can see the world's manipulated so much to the upside that we have no chance to go a little bit to the downside. Yeah, also here you can see manipulation a lot and going a little bit downside. Yeah, and I looked to the chart and I saw the manipulation. Yeah, I saw this also before, but I saw this like steps. Yeah, so the step is doing. Yeah, it's finished. Then we're going to the next step. Yeah, this is doing, and then we're going here to the next step. And normally, please listen here very careful. This is very important information for you. Normally, this what you see here, I make this in red that you see this. Normally, that what you see here is in the bear market. Please listen here very careful. Is in the bear market this. So now some of the moon boys recognize here a pattern. So if we going here to the sideways, yeah, then we fulfilled the condition that the retest is happening already. I hope you understand this. This is not easy to understand. Yeah, so also for me, yeah, yesterday night in the morning 5 o'clock, I sit in front of the PC and laptop and look to this chart. Uh, Only 3 hours sleeping. Yeah, I said, so okay, what is the key here to understand it? Then I recognize, okay, they manipulate the price. The bear market is this here, and they put this formation upside. Yeah, so that we have to think, okay, this place is this place. Then you understand that we will get here a really good pump. Yeah, the price will fly, and that is exactly the manipulation. Yeah, it is not easy to understand this. You need here hours and hours, and you need here experience and experience to understand this. Yeah, so I expect that we will get here a pump. You saw on the video in the last days. Also, also they manipulate also me. Yeah, so this is not easy to look, but even if the price is going here to the downside, I see at these moments strong signs that the price will go up. Yeah, you can see this also here. Normally, after this big move to the upside, yeah, the price have to go like this to the downside here. Yeah, so we not see this. Yeah, you can see exactly the price is staying here and goes to the sideways, and this is a signs of strongness. Yeah. Also here, negative channel to the downside, and that is what makes me a little bit frustrated because it's not the case that we predict here bad or something like that. No, they manipulate in every small steps. Yeah, and if you are not prepared of this, then you are lost. Yeah, and I saw this especially at these levels that my expectation was that we make a movement like this. Yeah, this is the normal case. Yeah, because after retesting here, we have no energy, and then we have to go to the downside. Yeah, but here is the pure manipulation that they put this here. I make this in green here. Manipulate a lot of to the upside and go here sideways, and that means we have a left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and the price will fly. Yes, my prediction was also to the downside, because after this movement here, there's not so much energy here. Yeah, but the interesting info here is we have a good support that the price is staying here. I delete something here that you can see this. We have a good support so that the price can stay here on these levels. Yeah. They are very smart. Yeah, they manipulate the price here, then the price can stay here. Normally, I said this to you here at the beginning. We have to go here to the sideways movement, but this case or this chart is manipulated. This place is this, yeah, so that we have to start here a really good pump to the upside. Yeah, so I calculate in few days the price will pump. Yeah, so today is the 27th of January. So I think in the next days, if the cycle is here finished, the really good pump is coming. This is only a retest. One info also for you, very important. If we drop here, if we make this, I make this in blue, then negative, then you have to sell. There's no financial advice. There's only info for you that you understand that this year is that. Yeah, that have to not happening. If we see the blue line, then is danger. Yeah, you can see we touch this so much here. This will not hold here. So this is the absolute worst case. Yeah. So if the price is staying here in these levels and make a retest, I make this in orange. Yeah. Only retest, then we have a good possibility to make this. It's not the case. Yeah, we have not the condition to break out here, but we have a good situation to stay like that. Yeah, so I see here in the chart, due to the manipulation, a very good signs to the upside. Yes, it is difficult to predict. Yes, because we are coming from the bear market. We have another view to these charts. Yeah, normally we have here patterns. Normally we have a situation after some conditions and retest. For example, this year. Yeah, for example, this is then finished. We have to go to the downside. But here in this case, they manipulate this so good that the price stay here. Yeah, and the second move is also sitting on this place. Yeah, and this is an extreme bullish sign and give us the information. If the blue line is not happening, the price will fly. And you can see this also at some altcoins. They not going to the downside. So the plan is changed. Now the uptrend is coming. Yeah. No matter even if the price is going to the downside. So we have to decide as for our direction. So I see here at the moment positive sign. So in the last days, even I was irritated. The wealth manipulated the price so good that and I even saw here some signs to the downside. I see these signs also now to the downside. We have to come to 18,000 levels, 19,000, but The problem is the chart is manipulated. So we're going every day, step by step to the upside. Have a nice day.